Hello everyone, welcome to My Big Fat Tummy with me, Joyshri. All-time favorite Hakka noodles is one of the best options to treat your taste buds and a perfect meal dinner. A hardcore fan of Chinese non-veg Hakka noodles knows the sudden noodles craving I am talking about. Thinking how to prepare it at home instead of splurging for the same at an eatery? My Hakka noodles recipe is here to help you then. In a large pan, adding water to boil our noodles or chow mein. I have taken Hakka noodles. The brand is YY. You must salt your noodles water as while the noodles are cooking it absorbs the salt, adding just extra touch to the overall meal. Boil this until the noodles get softened. After that strain the water and keep this aside. Here I have taken about 100 gram of boneless chicken which I have diced into these sizes. Adding salt, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and combine this well. Then rest this for at least 10 minutes. Moving to prawn, taken 100 gram. Now adding half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, half teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Combine all these ingredients very well and then rest this for 10 minutes. Came back after 10 minutes adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour to each of the bowl. Then adding just 1 tablespoon of beaten egg to the chicken bowl and to the prawn bowl. Combine this very well. I have taken 2 beaten egg and kept the rest of the amount for making egg bhurji. Firstly, in a frying pan adding 2 tablespoons of white oil, then adding the rest of the beaten egg and let's make the egg bhurji first. Let it scramble and then add a pinch of salt to it. It's done. Taking this out. Now in the same frying pan adding half cup of white oil and add all the prawns one by one to fry. Fry both sides of your prawns very well. When it will turn into golden brown, then take that off. In the same frying pan, let's fry the chicken. Fry them until they become golden brown in color. If done, then take that off. To make Hakka noodles, on a high flame heat oil in a wok or a large karai. After few seconds, add the finely chopped garlic. Saute on a high flame for 30 seconds. Then add sliced onion. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion. After tossing this for few seconds, then add all the sliced carrot, capsicum or bell pepper. If you have cabbage or spring onion, you can definitely add those. Cabbage must be the shredded one. As I don't have that at present, so I didn't add this. Adding half tablespoon of salt. Add this as per your taste. Now saute on a high flame for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Adding some boiled mushroom. This is just love. I love mushroom a lot. Toss this for 2 minutes. I feel that I need some more salt to this dish, so I added. If you think you don't need, then you can definitely skip this. Now adding the boiled noodles. To the boiled and strained noodles, always rub in some oil and keep aside. This helps to keep the noodles separate. So this is a suggestion for you lovelies. As I don't have tongue at present, so I have used 2 long spoons, and with the help of these 2 spoons I'm just mixing all the noodles with the veggies, sprinkling some 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then again toss everything very well. The whole preparation of Hakka noodles is done on high flame, as this helps the vegetables to remain crunchy and not turn soft or soggy. This recipe is not only treat to the tongue but also eyes. The colorful veggies make Hakka noodles eye-pleasing. Finally, I have added all the cooked chicken, prawns and eggs to the mixture and combining this very well. I usually make this for both dinner and lunch. Tell me about your preferred time to have Hakka noodles in the comment section below. So my Hakka noodles is ready. Serve these noodles immediately with chili sauce, soy sauce and chilies in vinegar. And as we know, in the Kolkata street, we often get Hakka noodles with some salad on the top. So it's done as of now. How you have enjoyed this recipe, please do let me know. And if you like my recipe work, then show a thumbs up. And if you are loving this and want more such recipes, then please subscribe to my channel. You will get new recipes on every Thursday and Sunday. So stay connected and love my big fat tummy. We will soon reach our first milestone, so need your blessings, and there is a big surprise for you guys. So it's a request to stay connected with my big fat tummy. Something new is going to be uploaded soon. So till then, take care, stay beautiful and happy.